Profit and loss formula. So first of all, SP. What is the meaning of SP? SP, selling price, cost price. CP, cost price. MP, marked price. Profit, SP minus CP. Loss, CP minus SP. So next, profit percentage. Ela find out Charlie profit percentage ante profit by CP into 100. Next, loss percentage. Loss percentage, it is loss by CP into 100. Once again, SP equals to selling price, CP cost price, MP marked price, profit SP minus CP, loss CP minus SP, profit percentage, profit by CP into 100, loss percentage, loss by CP into 100. And next one, SP selling price equals to 100 plus profit percentage by 100 into CP. Next, SP equals to 100 minus loss percentage by 100 into CP. Next, cost price 100 into SP by 100 plus profit percentage. Next, CP cost price 100 into SP by 100 minus loss percentage. MP SP plus discount. Next, SP means selling price, discount, MP SP marked price, selling price. Discount percentage. How can we find out discount percentage? Discount by marked price. ఏదైతే మనకి పడుతుందో ఆ price into 100. So these are the profit and loss formulas. Remove one letter to make OX answer. నేను ఇచ్చిన ఈ ఆన్సర్ లో ఒక లెటర్ ని రిమూవ్ చేసి మీరు ఏం చేయాలి అంటే కింద చిన్న రాయాలి. ఎలా రాస్తారో కామెంట్ సెక్షన్ లో కామెంట్